Good afternoon, we're here in Playa Blanca again and we're going to go for a walk. We're going to head from this area here just by the Playa Blanca beach and we're going to head all the way to the harbour. So we're going to go and have a look at all the restaurants along that side of the Playa Blanca strip. We're going to have a look at the restaurants in the harbour and tell you where you can go. And we're just going to have a look around. It's August, it's peak season. Is it busy? Well, it's 50-50, but it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But the Playa Blanca strip is beautiful, as you know. So come on, let's go for a walk. I'll take you with me. This is Playa Blanca strip, August the 18th, I do believe, 2023. Let's go. So here we go, look. Starting at Brisas Marinas, which is a very busy, popular restaurant, which we've talked about quite a lot. But let me show you just how busy the main Playa Blanca town beach is. Lots of people on there. Lots of different nationalities as well. But everybody enjoying themselves. And this beach is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Shower facilities here as well. And I've got something really special to show you, because the guys are over, I believe they come over from Fuerteventura, and they do the sand sculptures. So check this out. Come down here, show this man some support and some love, because his sand sculptures are absolutely incredible. Look, so he's just here on the beach. It's him in the yellow t-shirt just there, and he's got a little bucket here that you can put some pennies in, or euros, and pay him for his hard work. Look at that, fabulous. And there is the Playa Blanca beach. Beautiful. Santos Jewelers is open, look. You can get yourself a nice watch in there if you've got plenty of cash, or some diamonds. Beautiful. Let's go further afield down this way. So here we go, look, we're going to head in this direction because we didn't do that in the last video. Just by this statue here and the arcade. Great little arcade here. It's got some really cool games in here. You've got your boxing ones, which everybody loves. See how hard you can punch. You've got your air hockey. You've even got a little bowling alley. And for the adults, there's a little roulette as well if you want to lose some money. It's all a bit of fun, isn't it? And then this is a new restaurant here, Puerto Marineros. Seems to be doing very well. But then again, it is a fantastic location, look. Right on the seafront here. Come on, Jack, which way are we going? All right, let's go. So we'll follow Jack, he'll lead the way. Casa Pedro, I was going to say Casa Carlos here. Casa Pedro, very typical Canarian restaurant. It's very popular with the locals. Real Canarian food, fresh fish, mussels, all that sort of stuff. And it is a really nice place. But it's not so touristy, this place. This place is more sort of locals. The locals absolutely love it. Still, obviously, tourists do go there. Clear day today as well, beautiful. And look, the tide's in. So the waves are coming in and splashing against the wall here. And sometimes on a rough day, you can get yourself wet. But there you go, look, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. So imagine that on a rough day, look. Boom, you walk past and you get splashed. Look at them views. It is a stunning day. All the way over to Fuerteventura there, you can see Los Lobos. But let's go further afield down here. So this is the more quiet area of town. The other side of the strip is a lot busier. But this is really the more quiet end. A few more different things up here. My favourite tat shops, look. Selling literally everything that you could possibly imagine. Genuine fake belts and all sorts. And then you've got some other restaurants like the Gondola. But like I said, this place, busy at night time. This end of town, quite quiet during the day. But there are some fabulous places up here which you could miss. And we're going to head right into the harbour area because there's a few restaurants in there that were very busy when we walked this way. Beautiful. So we've just done and sent the drone up and got some amazing footage of Playa Blanca. We sent the drone all the way along and we got some great footage showing you the whole of Playa Blanca. So there we go, you've got Playa Blanca and you've got Isla Bonita restaurant there. But like I said, there's loads for you to choose on this end of town, including New Indian Tamasha. And I'm going to take you and show you the new signage of the Indian Curry House, which is one of my favourite places. They've just had a new sign put in today, I noticed, so I'll show you that as we head towards the harbour. Another tat shop there, look. This one's called Temptations. Can you be tempted by Temptations? It's massive in there, it goes all the way back. So this is quite a good little shopping area, and at the back you've got Lemonis as well, which is another shopping area. So at the back of here, just up the steps, I'll show you where the little steps are in a minute. You can get up the steps and you'll enter what they call the shopping street, and there's loads of shops at the back. Some lovely sort of houses here, look, and apartments. I would say they're probably holiday homes, but it'd be nice to live here, wouldn't it? Be a bit noisy on the evening, I think, but not too late, because Playa Blanca's not like a late town. And then up them steps, look, takes you up to the main shopping street of Lemonis, and there you can get yourself some stuff. Oh yeah, you're right. Got the Camel restaurant there that does tapas, and then you've got another Indian restaurant called Mr. Panda. Mr. Panda's eating or takeaway. And this is a really posh place. This is Mama Rosa's. Meant to be really good, or Mama Rosa. But look, super modern. I really like the design of that place. And then you've got a more traditional place here, which is Bodega Las Tapas. So another little tapas place, which would be typical Canarian. But we're nearing the harbour now, so let's go and have a little nose up that end. So here we go, a little bit closer to the harbour. You've got your Pandora there, which is very popular. They have them everywhere now, don't they? In the airport, in resort, you can't get away from Pandora. And then you've got a sort of fashion shop there that does some designer label stuff. I think they sell the real McCoy. On the main street, there's another one that definitely sells the real McCoy that's really cool. And then you've got Yum Yums here. This is a good spot here to enjoy a beer or a coffee or cake. How you doing? You all right? You enjoying yourself? Oh, yes. Fabulous. Thank you, brilliant. So there you go, lovely place. So that is the main sort of front area, and then this leads you into the harbour. So just down here will take you to the harbour, so let's go. So here we go, this is known as the Rock Beach here. It's one of my favourite sort of viewing areas in the morning when the sun is rising, or in the evening when the sun is setting. It's beautiful to come down here and get yourself sort of a photo by the little boats, look. Absolutely gorgeous. But we're heading in this direction here because there's a couple of restaurants to show you which are actually right slap bang in the middle of the harbour, and then you've got a couple of sort of British and Irish ones as well in a little centre. So let's go that way. So here we go, this is one of the most popular places in the actual harbour, and if you want real fish, real seafood and real Canarian food, this is definitely a must look. Very busy, you can see. They do fresh fish, they do everything, and it's literally, how are you alright? Hola. It's literally right in the middle of the harbour, and if you want fresh fish, look, it's right next door to the fish shop, which has got a Spanish name and the fish shop underneath, look, which always makes me laugh because I don't think the tourists are going to come and buy fresh fish, are they? I don't know. Maybe, I suppose, if you're staying in a villa, you could get some fresh fish and do a barbecue, but that's the fish shop, and that is the fresh fish restaurant. So this is also where you get the ferry over to Fuerteventura. That's our favourite ferry there, look, Líneas Romero one. That's the passenger ferry, no cars on there. So that'll be heading over soon. And I am going to take you over there, look, to have a look at Popeyes, which is great for fish and chips. You've got the Irish Anvil Bar, which I'm going to show you, which is great for breakfast. And then you've got the Indian Curry House, which have just had a new menu and a new sign. So let's go and see that. So here we go, there's a few places here where you can get some food and drink as well, right on the front of the harbour. You've got the Corner Cafe, which does all sorts of paella and Canarian potatoes and food and coffee and drinks. And then you've got, next to that, you've got the Kebab and Pizza House, look. So they do like a selection of like ice creams and stuff. And then above, look, right up there, you've got Popeye's Sports Bar. That's the best place in Playa Blanca to enjoy the sport. It's got all your sport on. Fish and chips is amazing. It's probably the best fish and chips in Playa Blanca. I may even go so far as to say on the island. Love the fish and chips in Popeye's. And there's a little commercial centre here. So you've got Popeye's up the top. You've got another place called The Office, which is a snack bar and karaoke bar. Snoopy snack bar. I've never really been in there because it just doesn't jump out as a, I don't know, just one of them places. Maybe it's nice. Has anybody been there to Snoopy's? And you got the famous Irish anvil here, look. So this is great for breakfast. They do beautiful, big, massive English and Irish breakfast here. Irish bar. Hiya. Have you been watching me on the TV, have you? Yeah. Fabulous. You having a good time? Yeah. Oh, what are you having? Just drinks? Or drinks or food? Yeah, just drinks. What is it, Magnus? Magnus, yeah. Yeah. Where are you from? Newcastle. Fabulous. Nottingham and Newcastle. You having a good time? Yeah, brilliant. Say hello to everyone. You're on YouTube now. Hello. See you later. Bye, bye, bye. There you go, look, Irish anvil. And there at the top, look, is the curry house, look. So we've done a video in there of the curry house and they've just had a new sign. Let's see if we can get closer. So I can't get up there to show you the sign, but it's looking amazing, look. Look at that, so that's brand spanking new. And it's a great Indian restaurant. I've done a video there and I'm gonna go back and do another one there. They've got another sign. And they do what's called Indian tapas, which is like where you select the different dishes, and they do that in the afternoon. So I'm going to go and try that soon for sure. But there you go, look, that is the Lemonis Centre that overlooks the harbour of Playa Blanca. So there you go, that was a little walk on an August the 18th 2023 here in Lanzarote, Playa Blanca. It's not that busy, but it is hot and it is around 3-4 o'clock, so people are still in the hotels. They haven't come out yet for dinner. So if you're watching on TikTok, thanks for coming this far and watching. And if you're watching on YouTube, I'm going to leave you with a little bit of drone footage of Playa Blanca. Have a good view. I'll see you later.